This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, November 20th, 2013. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At noon today, we have some energy moving in with a trough beginning to develop over the northwest and the northern plains. This will be bringing down a shot of cold air coming in from Canada. It'll also be bringing us a little bit of rain activity across mainly the eastern half to two-thirds of the state. Highs today will be in the 40s in the east where it'll be raining, but it may be in the low to mid 50s in the west where it'll stay mainly cloudy. And then another system comes in here on Thursday, and with the cold air filtering in, we could see some rain mixing with and changing over to snow in the northwestern counties, and this will be sweeping south and east during the day Thursday into Thursday night and early on Friday. By Friday at midday, the precipitation is off to our east and south, but colder air is going to come down, and we could see some accumulating snow with this system. When we take a look at the probabilities of seeing at least 2 inches of snow or more, this is between now and Friday evening, you can see the better probabilities of seeing 2 inches of snow across the northern and northwestern counties of the state. When we go back to the GFS on Saturday at noon, high pressure is coming in at 1044 millibar high over South Dakota, and this will be bringing very cold temperatures, 20s with winds at about 10 or 15, wind chills near zero. It'll be in the single digits both Saturday and Sunday morning. Sunday during the day, it'll be a skosh warmer as the high moves to the south and east, winds turn to the southwest, temperatures may be in the 30s to near 40 for highs. And then maybe around 40, give or take a few degrees on Monday. A system moving across the Great Lakes with a bit of snow there, some rain off to our south, but we'll see mainly sunny skies, a few more clouds maybe in the eastern counties of the state. Tuesday, another shot of cold air, not as cold as this cold air coming in this weekend. Highs back down into the 30s, lows around 20. Any rain will be across the Gulf Coast, snow across the Great Lakes. And a week from today, next Wednesday, the big travel day, we'll have a trough with some energy across the eastern Great Lakes and New England, another moving into the Pacific North and West. We have a northwesterly flow that's going to keep temperatures quite cool with high pressure overhead, probably lows in the teens, highs around 30 to 35. Snow across the northeast, so some travel delays possible for anybody heading out in that direction for Thanksgiving. Going into the extended period, December the 1st, we have some energy coming down into the northern part of the country once again with a trough axis close by. And this will be bringing us maybe some more cold air at that point, and maybe a little bit of snow close by, maybe around here, some rain and maybe a thunderstorm across Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas, with some snow in the Great Lakes and into Minnesota. And then as we head to the end of the forecast on December the 5th, it looks to be very cold, big trough across the east, a ridge over the west, the flow coming straight from the north. And that's going to mean some fairly cold weather around here with high pressure overhead or close to being overhead. Maybe some light snow or flurries around in through here east to the Great Lakes and Mid-Atlantic. Maybe some showers in the south at that time. Satellite image from last evening, we had some cloudiness, high and mid-level clouds moving into the state and into the plains and into Minnesota and across the Pacific Northwest as well, and also across the Mid-Atlantic and the Carolinas into the south and east. The watch warning map from last evening, some high wind issues across the Sierra Nevadas in California, some winter weather advisories in Montana, around Yellowstone National Park and northern Wyoming. Elsewhere it was fairly quiet. QPF chart precipitation for the next 3 days. The 5-day outlook was not updated. This is through Friday evening at 6 o'clock, showing any rain or snow will be between about a quarter to a half an inch in rain and or snow.